So today I am super excited to review this dog car seat. It's a booster seat, so if your pets are like tiny or petite, they can view everything from the window in the car. I feel like it's super awesome. It's also memory foam, and I'm super excited to try this booster dog car seat. So let's unbox it and review it. So this is how it comes packed. So let's see what's inside. So I've unpacked all the pieces. So it first comes with this little pad that you put on top of the memory foam booster pad, which I'll show you in a moment. If your dog does any mess or whatever, you can just remove this and wash it so the seat itself doesn't get dirty, and it's super soft and comfortable. Comes with the car seat itself. It is made out of this super comfortable material. I feel like my dogs are going to absolutely love this. And this is where you're gonna hook it back in your car, and this is where you can clip your dog from its collar to the seat so he's safe. And I love that this is adjustable, so you can size it up perfectly to the headrest in your car. You can put this in the back seat or in the seat besides the driver's seat, and of course you can unclip it, clip it, and it's just so soft. This is the memory foam booster. It's super soft, and this is going to work for your doggy to sit down and to be able to see and be aware of its surroundings. So just place it down like this, and this is how it looks. It gives some height to the seat. I'm gonna place it in my car in a bit so you guys can see. I also love that it comes with a ton of side pockets, so you can store everything you need for your puppy to travel with you. I also love that it came with a little blanket for your dog to be super comfortable. This is how you place the little cover for the booster seat not to get dirty. This is how the cover goes on. This is removable and machine washable. If they do get the seat dirty, you can remove this, wash it, and just place it again. And I also love that it comes with the mat, so your seat is extra protected. So this is my puppy Choco. He's gonna try out the car seat. As you can see, it gave him some height, so when he's sitting in the car, he's going to be able to see. So right now he's just laying down. He's just like super comfortable. I can tell he absolutely loves it. So let's try it out in my car. So this is where you're going to buckle the seat, so I'm gonna show you. Right now I'm gonna place it like this, and I'm gonna grab the buckle and I'm gonna put it through these two loops so the car seat is secure, like so. And once it is secure, you just buckle it as normal, and this is going to make sure your puppy is safe and that the car seat doesn't move that much. Now I'm gonna place the headrest over my car seat, and this is adjustable, so I'm gonna adjust it to its size. I'm gonna make it a little bit tighter, and this is a little strap. You can strap your dog from its collar so he can be safe. And now I'm gonna place the memory booster pad on the car seat. Of course, you can choose to also place this in the back row of the car, but I chose right now to put it in the front because my dog loves to see through the window. And as I mentioned previously, it also comes with this pad to protect the seat from any mess your dog can do. So this is how it looks with the little pad. As I mentioned previously, it has from the both sides a huge pocket, so you can place on both sides anything you need. And it also comes with this very soft blankie, so your dog is super comfortable and doesn't get cold. So this is Choco, and he's going to be trying out the car seat. So I'm gonna place him over here. I'm gonna clip him for security. So now that I buckled him, he's ready to go. You can also place a little blankie so he's more comfortable. He's just going to be able to look at his surroundings. He's super comfortable and safe. He's ready for the car ride. So guys, if you're looking for a car seat for your small dogs to be able to be super comfortable and look at their surroundings and feel super safe, I would definitely recommend this one. He absolutely loves it, and he's super excited to travel with me. Let's go, Choco!